So I recently was involved in a part of this class, the Shadows to Light class that happened this fall. And it was what spoke to me about that was getting to the very essence, the source of the issues that we're seeing out manifesting in the outer world. And it just really addressing the energy. And so for me, it just kind of really excited me and inspired me. And Sharif was just amazing in the stories that he was telling and really looking beyond your own personal life. You know, one of the things that really kind of expanded my awareness was what is he posed the question, what is your legacy? I was like, legacy? I have a legacy? I don't know about that. What am I leaving behind in the world? That was just something that I never actually thought about before. Um, but I know that in my own personal journey and quest that I've been seeking, spiritual enlightenment and becoming awake and just, shining the love and trying to raise that awareness, not only in myself, but to help my fellow beings in this community and Central Oregon community and the world. It all ripples out, and it's just so beautiful. And I had a very interesting experience while I was in that class where I had something happen. My car broke down. Oh my God. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? I know some of you have kind of heard this story. But being in that class and being in that energy was talking about your strength is in community. And it really, really played out for me where I didn't need money. I didn't have to worry. I didn't have to freak out. It was just a real evidence that the universe is here and providing us with everything that we need. I mean, my mechanic said, your car is done. It's not fixable. It's worth, costs more to fix it than it's worth. So let's not do that. But I actually have a car for you. Well, okay. Great. So I was kind of in this like, am I supposed to be feeling like crazy and freaking out? But wait, I'm really excited and oh my God, it's taken care of for me already. Like, wow. And then he's like, oh, but it's not going to be ready for a little bit, for like a week. And I was like, oh, okay, what am I going to do? And then lo and behold, a friend of mine said, I'm not using my car. Why don't you go ahead and use my car for the week? Wow. Just wow, right? And then she's like, okay, I need my car back. And then another friend, from this very community was like, oh, I'm not using that car. Why don't you go ahead and use that car for this next week while I was still waiting for the original car to be ready? And I was just absolutely amazed. I mean, it was just like, wow. I didn't need to have thousands of dollars up front to get it fixed. And I didn't have to worry. I didn't have to like get all stressed out or anything like that. And so I was just so thankful and so very blessed to be to be here in this community, to be supported, to be loved by the universe, and to just get that real concrete evidence that yes, I am provided for by the universe, and I don't need to do it all myself. So it was just really, it was really amazing experience for me. So I just wanted to share that with you all, and thank you so much. And we are doing that class again. If anybody is interested in signing up, of course you can sign up at the back table, just like all the other classes. But it's called Shadows to Light, and so it's looking at fear, which blocks us all. Essentially, that's the energy that we're all trying to work with. And looking at the light that shines on all those shadows, like the other, lack, violence. Violence was a big one, too, that we were looking at during that thing. And just trying looking at that energy and incorporating it into our being and finding that balance. And it's this important work that we're doing within ourselves that radiates out into our community and that radiates out into the world. And so I am really inspired and passionate about, we are changing the world, and this is one of the ways that we can do it. And so this class offers the opportunity to be a part of that broadly, because it's not only just us. This class is actually happening around the nation in different site locations. And so we're doing this all together. And I think that the more people that are there doing it, expanding our consciousness together at the same time and working on the same things really, really can have an effect on the world. So thank you all.